Rommens. Today we are going to make a really simple recipe of buns. So it has only 7 ingredients. It has oil, sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, an egg, yeast, and warm water. So what we're going to start with is we're going to dump the warm water into the bowl. Beck, my trusty assistant. We might have lost a little there, so we're going to add some more. And Quaid, you can dump in the sugar. All right, next comes 2 tablespoons of yeast. And now we're going to wait. So after about 10 minutes, your yeast mixture should look like this. And at that point, you're ready to add
oil.
Oil, 1/3 of a cup of oil.
You don't have to say that around.
Dump it in. Okay, Quaid, you can crack us an egg. So the next step is we're going to add between 3.5 and 4 cups of flour. So we're going to start with 3.5, and then if we need more, we'll add it. And then the last thing is about a teaspoon of salt. Put that in.
Yeah, we mix it.
We're gonna mix it. So we're gonna put the dough hook on our mixer. You could do this by hand if you want, but this is much easier if you have one. Lock it in. We're gonna start with it on stir. So keep mixing until it comes together as a dough. You can add a little bit more flour if you need to. And then turn it up a little bit and let it knead for about 2 minutes. So after about 2 minutes of kneading, your dough should look like this. Right now we're gonna set it aside and cover it with a towel, and we're going to preheat our oven to 400. So once your dough is rested for maybe 10 or 15 minutes, you can put it on a lightly floured surface. I'm gonna divide it into 8 pieces. I'm gonna give it to Quaid and Beck, and they're gonna roll it into buns. And then we're gonna place it on our cookie sheet. All right, and then we're gonna let them rest for another 10 minutes before we bake them at 425. Okay, our buns have rested for about 10 or 15 minutes, so we're gonna bake them now. Put the rack a little bit closer to the top. We're gonna bake them at 425 for between 10 and 12 minutes. I usually do 11. All right, 11 minutes, and they're done. I'm gonna take them out of the oven, and I'm gonna put them on a cooling rack. You can use them for whatever you like, but we're gonna have hamburgers tonight. Thanks for watching.